Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. At kung bago ka sa channel na to, I'm Za and this is Za Canada. Today we are going to talk about a topic, and these are for those temporary foreign worker here in Canada, especially those people who are in Quebec. So this video is very important kasi it will talk about how to extend their work permit, kailangan ba ulit ng LMIA, at ano ang exemptions na ginawa ng gobyerno ng Canada for those people who are currently in Quebec. So today, we are going to talk about the official IRCC rules and the details about that. Okay? Panoorin hanggang dulo. Okay, so today we are going to talk about why this topic is very important. So meaning may mga foreign workers kasi dito sa Canada, especially in Quebec, na naka-employer specific work permit or close work permit, which means that they can only work for an employer, one job, one location. So, kapag malapit na mag-expire, kailangan mo na agad gumawa na action. By the way, everything that I'm telling in my video are for informational purposes only. So, if you need legal assistance, please contact an RCIC officer or an immigration lawyer. Okay? So, going back to what I was telling you about, kung hindi mo ma-extend ang iyong work permit, syempre, you are going to lose your legal status, you cannot work, and you may need to restore your status. And in order for you to restore your status, you have to extend your work permit as soon as possible. And right now, there is a special situation in Quebec. If you are working in Quebec, iba yung process compared sa ibang mga provinces. Usually, kailangan ng LMIA or CAQ. LMIA, if you are working outside Quebec, alam naman natin, we have been talking about that previously in my videos, which stands for Labor Market Impact Assessment, which means ito yung ginagamit ng mga Canadian worker or employers kapag wala silang nahanap na Canadian citizen or permanent resident na nag-a-apply or qualified sa trabaho na in-advertise nila. And in Quebec, there is another document called CAQ, which is a Certificate d'Acceptation de Quebec. So, ano siya, parang acceptation, anyway, yun na yun. So, ano kasi siya, in French siya. So, this is the approval from the Quebec government allowing you to work or study in the province. So, normally, both are required, but here's the good news, there are exemptions. So, may ginawa nga exemptions lately ang government ng Canada para sa mga workers na nagtatrabaho sa Quebec. And these are the LMIA exemptions with or for foreign workers with CSQ. So, LMIA exemptions for workers with CSQ. So, if you are already selected by Quebec for permanent residence, which means na siguro naka-receive ka na ng invitation to apply to become a permanent resident sa Quebec or sa Canada, then may tinatawag silang CSQ. Kasi hindi ITA yung tawag sa kanila or tawag dun sa government. Kasi may sariling body na gumagawa ng permanent resident para sa mga taong nakatira dun. So anyway, so that is this thing called CSQ or Certificate de Sélection de Québec. So if you have CSQ, you may qualify for special LMIA exempt work permit extension. So this means no LMIA or no CAQ needed in some cases, but you must meet some conditions. For example, you must hold a valid CSQ. Siyempre, nakatira ka sa Quebec, have a valid job offer from a Quebec employer, and usually have applied for permanent residence. And this exemption is called A75 LMIA exception. And the purpose of this policy is simple. It allows workers to continue working while waiting for permanent residence. So ito na nga. So those are the people who probably receive an ITA or an CSQ. So kapag meron ka ng document na ganun, then you don't need an LMIA or you don't need SCAQ. And how long nga ba yung work permit extension na ibinibigay? Normally, it's 1 to 2 years ang ibinibigay kapag na-approve yung application mo and kapag complete yung documents, syempre. So, all you have to do is go to the IRCC. Then definitely, if you cannot do it by yourself, you can always contact an RCIC or an immigration lawyer to help you with these things. So, common mistakes workers made is waiting until the last week. So, make sure na you plan early. Like, for example, if your permit expires like in 6 months, you have to be aware that your permit is going to expire. 1 year is preferable. Diba? Para at least 1 year before, alam mo na kung ano mangyayari sa inyo bago pa mag-expire. Okay? So make sure that you don't have any missing documents, employer not submitting compliance fee, and applying under the wrong category. So these mistakes can cause refusal or delays. So always double check your documents. Okay? Well, that should be it for today's video. That's under the Quebec policy on how to extend your work permit without needing an LMIA. Okay? Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can comment below na sana gawin din yan sa ibang province like British Columbia, sana dito at other provinces na especially dun sa mga temporary foreign worker na nag-expire or mag-expire na yung status dito sa Canada. Okay? So that should be it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. At laging tatandaan, hindi kailangan maraming pera, basta may peace of mind. Until next time. Bye-bye.